Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I've been having an incredible time picking up a new hobby, learning to play the ukulele. The Soprano Ukulele by Ranch Guitar has truly made the experience fun and approachable, especially for a complete beginner like me. This ukulele has been a perfect entry point to starting to play instruments. It's lightweight, super comfortable to hold, and looks fantastic with its smooth finish and quality craftsmanship. More importantly, it sounds amazing. Even as a beginner, still learning the chords and strumming patterns, the tone that comes out is rich and clear. Honestly, it makes every practice session feel rewarding, even if I'm still butchering a few songs. I love how beginner-friendly this set is. It comes with everything I needed right out of the box. I didn't have to worry about buying any accessories separately, which made it easy to just start playing right away. Learning with this ukulele has quickly become a favorite activity. Not just for me, but for my wife too. We've been having so much fun playing around with the songs, laughing at our mistakes, and just enjoying the process together. So whether you're looking to start a new hobby or gift someone in your family something meaningful and creative, I think this ukulele makes an excellent choice. And that is my point of view.